Another effective breathing technique that we learned today in this yoga retreat that I am in Costa Rica is a technique that you do exhale with belly breathing. So basically you take a deep inhale and then you exhale from belly and you contract your belly muscles, but you exhale out through your nose. So your mouth is closed, and then you take a deep breath, and then you activate your belly muscles and you breathe out in pulses through your nose. So it goes like this. So basically you are breathing through here.